In this tutorial, we're going to work with the rule of 8, where we take a straight vertical line, divide it in half, divide those two halves in half, and then divide those 4 pieces in half, creating 8 equal spaces. The idea is that the top space will represent the height of the human face. You put an oval there, and then from there you come down to the hips and the upper body. The shoulders would represent about a segment and a half or segment and 3/4, and the width would be about 3 faces wide. The hips are basically the same shape but slightly narrower, and they would rest right over the centerpiece of the entire line. Once you have these 2 pieces in place, you can connect them with the abs or the stomach area. You would use an oval to do this, and this oval could change shapes depending on the size of the person that you're drawing. So to start with, you could do just a typical oval to join the 2, or if it's someone slightly larger, you could expand that oval just a little bit to represent someone that's a little bigger. Once the abs are in place, you can come down and do the upper legs or thighs, and those will join to that hip guitar pick shape. Make sure that you join into the pick shape, don't go to the outside edge. And then you'll have knees at the bottom, and then your calves or your shins will come down the rest of the way. And then at the bottom of those ovals would be circles or blunt ovals representing the feet. The arms would be basically the same as the legs, only slightly shorter, maybe a segment and a quarter long. They'll tie into the shoulders that are just inside the corners of the upper guitar pick. The elbows would be circles, and then the lower arms would be ovals about a segment long. This would represent your basic human form